Hey y'all, welcome back to another Squeaky Clean Life video. You already know it's time to get this power hour in. I had a lot of tasks to get done this day, you guys, and I'm ready to check off my to-do list. So if you are ready for this motivation, go ahead and leave this video a like and leave me a comment. Let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get to cleaning.
Like that, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you.
I had gotten the kids some new plates from Target. You guys, if you do not get your kids plates from Target, you are sleeping under a rock. They have the best kids plates, cups, utensils, and they are so affordable. They're like 50 cents a piece. You cannot beat it. So I did pick up them some more plates, and I just wanted to get them in the dishwasher. I had previously hand washed them, but I'm extra, y'all. I'm really extra about things, so I washed them twice, but that's okay.
I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Ooh, smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby.
My utensil drawer is starting to get really cluttered. I mean, we don't even use those knives that were in there, you guys. They are going to the trash, and I eventually want to buy me some nice bamboo utensil holders, the kind that extend. I think that'll be better for this drawer, but for now, we're going to work with what we got, and it's not going to be Pinterest worthy, but it is going to work for me.
Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose.
If you're new to my channel, I just want to welcome you guys and say hi. My name is Sean, and here on my channel, I post motivational power hours every single week. So if that is something that you're interested in, I would love to have you stay and join my family here on YouTube and stick around to the end to see just how much I get done in these power hours. And to all my loyals, thank you so much for tuning in every single week, supporting me on this journey. I truly appreciate it.
Party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like,
y'all, you already know this microwave was trifling. Okay, it was trifling because your girl still haven't got a microwave cover. Once I'm done doing this voiceover, I'm going to get me a microwave cover and I'm going to be proud to show you guys that I have one in a future video, okay? Because I got to get my life together.
Freaking out to the beat, they will freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out to the beat, they will freak out, singing like.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how? I played for you, I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you, that one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again.
Each afternoon, I like to come in my son's room and just wipe everything down and sweep or vacuum because he does come in here and eat while his sister is taking a nap. I also want to move and clean behind his bed, clean the baseboards and all of that. So we're going to go ahead and get that done now.
We could just relive that summer night. For all the care we can spend, the firewood till it's hang. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you, that one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you, that one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't
So in the master bedroom, my daughter does come in here and play in the mornings because normally me and my husband are both trying to get some work done. So I'm just gonna pick up her toys. And the dresser is just, it's a catch-all. Everything ends up here no matter what. I think I end up cleaning this off every single day because it looks just like this every single day. But we're gonna get it all the way together. And surprise, surprise, you guys see my rug from the living room. I did end up putting it in my bedroom, and I love it in here. It just feels so, so cozy and put together now. So I am loving it.
Taking another life without you, yeah. Tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily.
And now I'm just using this Sprayway glass cleaner to get these mirrors all clean in my room. I am loving these mirrors. I got them from Target. They were like $50 a piece, and they were just the perfect touch to this room. I love them.
When you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass.
I really needed to clean the bathroom as well, and I lost a little footage here because when I went back to look at the video, it just did not record the part where I cleaned the toilet. But you know what? That is okay. I clean this toilet all the time, and you guys know how to clean the toilet. So we're just gonna move on, clean this sink, clean the mirror, get the floors all clean, and we will almost be done with this power hour. So let's see if I got it done in just an hour.
I feel it will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are getting.
I really hope you guys have been enjoying this video. Don't forget to leave me a like if you do, subscribe if you're new, make sure your notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. And if you need some more motivation, I have a power hour cleaning playlist on my channel that you can go check out once you're done watching this video for some more motivation.
Oh,